Hi, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show you how I make pineapple prawn fried rice. So this is the ingredient. I got 4 cups of boiled rice that I cooked early this morning. And then I got 5 pieces of eggs. And then pineapple, chopped pineapple, or you can use frozen pineapple, that's okay. I got some shallot. I got lemongrass, ginger and garlic. I got 250 grams of prawn, some spring onion and cashew nut. The other ingredient you need as well are some oyster sauce, some soya sauce, vegetable seasoning, fish sauce, salt and a cooking oil. First of all, we need to chop this one roughly and then put inside the liquidizer or a chopper, or if you don't have this thing, you can just use a knife and chop finely manually. So we're done here, and this is what it looked like. It's not too fine and just nice. Next we're going to mix the sauces. I got 3 spoons of oyster sauce into the bowl. And then some fish sauce, about 2 spoons. And then some soya sauce, about 1 spoon. And some vegetable seasoning, about 1 teaspoon. And some salt, also about half teaspoon. And mix it well. So we're ready to cook. And heat up the stove. Add some oil, about 2 spoons into it, and we're going to fry the prawn first with about 1 spoon of the stuff here that I grind. So I add that. Add the prawn until it cooks. Okay, now the prawn has cooked completely. Let's put this inside. And next, you're going to continue cooking. And the same pan, we add some cooking oil, about 3 spoons or maybe 4. And add the rest of the onion and ginger and whatever here. until there's a brown. Now we add the rice. For this fried rice, you can use white or even brown rice to make it a bit healthier. Continue stir. And next we're going to add the sauce. Continue cooking and stir until the rice cooks perfectly. It's about 5 minutes. So the rice has been cooked nicely. We loaded the fire bit. And we're gonna add in the egg. So just put one side like this, the rice, and we're gonna add in about 2 of the egg first each time, and then scramble it like this. Once mixed all together, we add in the rice into it and continue with some of the eggs. Scramble it again. Yes. Mix it well. You can see still a bit water here like this, watery. You just add in the rice. Put on the side again, and we put the last piece of the egg. And do the same thing. And add the rice all together and continue cooking for about 3 minutes. So next I'm gonna fill the prawn. And the pineapple, and continue cooking for about 2 minutes. So this is all done. Next we're going to add the rest of all the ingredients. Stirring, and pineapple fried rice is ready. Now we're gonna dish it out. So this fried rice is enough for 4 to 5 people. So it's actually very good if you want to bring it for a party. something, you know. We put a bit of decoration here, and there you are, my pineapple and prawn fried rice. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for the next video. I'm Eka. See you next time.